Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today our topic of discussion and demonstration is a magnetic levitation system. So you can see in front of you a ball that is being magnetically levitated by this system in front of you, and there's an electromagnetic system, electromagnet over here basically, which is controlling the mass of this ball by attracting it. And so you can see it's quite a stable system. I'm basically rotating it, and there's nothing that's holding it except the electromagnetic force. So how do we do this? This is basically by use of this PID control system, which is basically controlling the forces that you are applying on this electromagnet. So I'll just give you a small demo that what is happening over here. So first of all, when you input the ball in this direction, you get a feedback of the distance, that how much is the ball distant from the electromagnetic over there. Based on that distance, the system gives the information from output back towards the input, where this PID controller decides that okay, how much information, how much force do we need to pull to this system. So I'll just give you a demo that what I'm telling you. So I'll just pull it off, and now what we have is that you can see that the distance over here is showing negative values. So this is basically something that that the system is understanding that the ball is very away or is not present over here. So now when I'll just put it close to this electromagnet, you can see that it has attracted the electromagnet, this ball, to the full. So what it has done is that it has applied full force to first of all analyze that what is the weight of this ball. So you can see over here that the distance over here is in very small values. How do we calculate the distance? You can see that the light from this side is basically falling on this electromagnetic sensor over here, and this electromagnetic sensor is basically telling through the rays of light that how much distance is there between the ball and the electromagnet. So based on the information that we are getting from this electromagnet and the distance, we'll get an output information that would be fed back to the input, and we have put in our position reference as -1.1. You can change it as you want to change the distance of the electromagnet and the ball. But first of all, what we need to what our system needs to do, that it needs to decide what needs to be the value of force for the position of the ball in such a way that it is magnetically levitated. So our PID controller would basically decide the exact value that would be needed to magnetically levitate the ball, and on that information our ball will hang down. So you can see that the ball has been shifted down in the air, and now it is totally on the force of this electromagnet. Now you can see that I'll change the values of this distance over here, and by changing the value I'll show the effect that you can see. If you see it very close, the ball is going down, and I'll now shift it up, the distance would decrease, you can see. So all of this I'm doing from this mouse by controlling this distance, where the distance I'm getting high and low. Now I'll decrease it back low, so I'll just decrease it again. You can see the distance is increasing, and now there's a limit to which we can decrease the distance. So there's a limit to everything. Now I'll just put this back over here, and now our system will decide again that what is the value of force needed to hang the ball to this distance. So you can see that the ball is again in the air, and now I'll just put it over here. So this is a basic simple demo of magnetic levitation systems, and they are being used in high-speed trains to decrease the resistance of air to decrease the friction that they are facing while traveling, and to have high speeds. And further, they have many more applications in the real world. So that's a basic tutorial of PID control systems and how they are being used. We'll keep on posting videos of control systems applications in the real world. So take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.